Hello, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy M34. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can set PIN and password. To create PIN, enter at least 6 digits. At least 6 digits are recommended, but you can set it with 4 digits only. Now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password and enter at least 4 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select 2 non-security screen locks, which are none and swipe. Now let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. Now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint unlock. And to use it, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.